Hi, this is a quick video testing out different ways of importing physics colliders. This is using the KKit Dungeon Mastered Asset Pack. So this demonstrates modeling the steps individually. You can see the balls are not wanting to ride too far up the steps. And in this one, the steps themselves are replaced with a single ramp collider. So the balls, it's far easier for balls or a character body to climb the steps. So this is done using in Blender, adding colliders, convex colliders for the main sections of the walls and other objects, and then naming them appropriate so they get hidden and converted to bodies in Godot. So in this case, you can see the base, top, and wall have been turned into static colliders.